Hi, I hope you're well today. So today we are going to focus on the saying one breath at a time or one day at a time. And this refers to our very human tendency to feel we have to solve all our problems right now. We think we have everything all figured out. In a nutshell, we want to be all in control of our life. One day at a time reminds us that it's impossible to climb a mountain all at once, or even to know what's going to happen 100 feet up. So let's take a step back, and we're going to take it step by step, which makes it a lot more manageable, one day at a time. Breaking things down to one day at a time is great when it comes to mindfulness, but we can do better than that. The beauty of mindfulness and meditation is that it allows us to break life down even into tinier pieces. Instead of one day at a time, we can go one breath at a time. It brings us back into the present moment. Instead of worrying about things that may or may not happen in the future, or going over and over and over the same things in our head from the past, we are rooted into the present, where we can find a little peace, which is why mindfulness is such a restful gift for our minds. So let's begin together now. You can stand or sit in this meditation. It's entirely up to you, wherever you are, wherever it's convenient for you. So let's start by bringing your awareness to rest on your feet, grounded on the floor. If you're struggling to make that connection, just try wriggling your toes and then sensing into the floor beneath you. Close your eyes. Now take a deep breath in, scanning up your body from your toes to your head. And exhale, scan back all the way through your body as you breathe out. And again, take a breath in and scan up your body. And exhale back down your body from head to toe. And again, inhale and draw your breath up into your tummy. And exhale slow with a sense of letting go, releasing and letting go. And repeat that. Inhale and draw your in-breath into your tummy. Exhale slowly with the sense of letting go, releasing and letting go. Now inhale again. Tune into what you can hear. Can you hear your breath drawing into your body? Exhale, listen as your breath slowly leaves your body. Again, inhale, tune into what you can hear. Can you hear your breath drawing into your body? And exhale, listen as your breath slowly leaves your body. And one last long and slow, purposeful breath in. And on your out breath, I want to see how long you can make that out breath last. Make it as long as you possibly can. Well done. Let your breath be natural and just tune into how you feel right now. Do you feel better? Do you feel more relaxed? And when you're ready, open your eyes and come back to the room. Well done.